Hello students, today we'll do chapter of environmental issues. The topic covered in this video are definition of pollution, Environmental Protection Act, air pollution and its control. This chapter is for class 12 and this is video 1. So let's get started. So first of all, we will look at the definition of pollution. So pollution is any undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological characteristics of air, water or soil. Now, if this undesirable change is in air, it would be called air pollution. If it is in water, it would be called water pollution. And if it would be in soil, it would be called soil pollution. Now, the agents which bring about such undesirable change would be called pollutant. So, pollutants are the agents which bring about such undesirable change. Now, let us look at air pollution and its control. First of all, we will look at effect of air pollution. So, air pollution will cause three effects. Number one, it will reduce the growth and yield of crops. Number two, it will cause premature death of plants. And number three, it will affect respiratory system of humans and animals. So these are the three effects of air pollution. It reduces the growth and yield of crops. It causes premature death of plant and it affects the respiratory system of human and animals. Now, there are two types of pollutant in air pollution. The two types of pollutants from thermal power plant or smelters. So two types of pollutant in air pollution are gaseous air pollutant and particulate matter. Now the gaseous air pollutant, it is removed by scrubber and particulate matter is removed by electrostatic precipitator. Now let us look at how the scrubber acts to remove the gaseous air pollutant. So scrubber, here is the diagram of scrubber. Now we know that scrubber is used to remove gaseous air pollutant. So it is used to remove gases like sulfur dioxide from industrial exhaust. So which gaseous pollutant? The harmful gases like sulfur dioxide, they are removed with the help of scrubber. Now let us look at the working. The exhaust is passed through a spray of water or lime. Now the exhaust with dirty air is passed through the spray of water and lime in the scrubber, as you can see in the diagram. Water dissolves the gases and lime react with sulfur dioxide to form precipitate of calcium sulfate. Now the water, it will dissolve the gases and the lime will react with sulfur dioxide to form precipitate of calcium sulfate. Hence, the air gets purified. So, when the dirty air will pass through the scrubber, the water will dissolve the gases and lime will form precipitate of calcium sulfate. Hence, the air will get purified. So, this is the mechanism of action of scrubber. You can pause the video and write the notes. Now let us look how electrostatic precipitator removes particulate matter. Now electrostatic precipitator I have already told you, it is used to remove particulate matter pollutants. So about 99% of particulate matter is removed from the exhaust of thermal power plant using electrostatic precipitator. So particulate matter are removed by electrostatic precipitator, whereas gaseous air pollutant, it is removed with the help of scrubber. So let us look at the working of electrostatic precipitator. So the electrodes, it consists of electrodes and collecting plates. The electrode wire are maintained at several volts which produce corona that releases electron. So it consists of electrode wire which releases electron. These electrons get attached to the dust particles and give them a net negative charge. The electron released by the electrode wire, it get attached to the dust particle and give them a negative charge. The collecting plates are grounded and these attract these charged particles. Now the collecting plates, they are grounded and they attract these charged particles. Hence air is purified. So this is the diagram of electrostatic precipitator. It consists of charged wire. This charged wire releases electrons. These electrons get attached to the dust particles and give them a negative charge. These negatively charged particles, they are attracted by the collecting plates, and hence when the dirty air passes through the electrostatic precipitator, air gets purified. So now let us look at the ill effects of particulate matter of size 2.5 micrometer or less. So ill effect of particulate matter of size 2.5 meter or less is: number 1, breathing and respiratory problems; number 2, irritation and inflammation of the lungs; and number 3 is damage to the lungs leading to premature death. So if we inhale particulate matter of size 2.5 or less, these are the harmful effects. Now let us look at Environmental Protection Act. We should know that it was passed in 1986 and its aim was to improve the quality of environment. Now let us look at the question time. Draw a labeled sketch of scrubber and mention its use to remove pollutant. So here you have to make the diagram of the scrubber and then mention its use to remove pollutant. It is used to remove the gaseous air pollution. This next question is: describe the function of electrostatic precipitator along with schematic diagram. So we have to draw the diagram of electrostatic precipitator and write its working and use. It is used to remove particulate air pollutant. Now mention one limitation of electrostatic precipitator. So limitation of electrostatic precipitator is that it can be used only to remove particulate air pollutant. It cannot be used to remove gaseous air pollutant. Now, number 4 question is: enumerate ill effect of particulate matter 2.5 on human health. I have already told you the ill effects of particulate matter of size 2.5 or less on human health. These are the ill effects. Now, next question is: name the device used to remove particulate air pollutant. So, particulate air pollutant are removed by electrostatic precipitator. And number 2, polluted like gases SO2 from the exhaust. Now, gaseous air pollutant like SO2 are removed by scrubber. So, next video of environmental issues would be continued tomorrow. If you like this video, please subscribe now to my channel Ramji Chopra. Thank you.